New Year's Eve is right around the corner, and do you know what that means? It's time to pop some bubbly. But why settle for plain bubbles when you can take it to the next level? Today I'm going to show you some fun, easy, delicious sparkling wine cocktails that are going to make your New Year's celebration unforgettable. Welcome back to Drunken Sailor Cocktails. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and this is the place where we make fun, easy, delicious cocktails. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button. The other thing that we ask you to do is please leave us a comment. Let us know what you like. Just talk to us. We like to have fun around here. But it's time to get to work. So today we are going to make two different sparkling wine cocktails. So let's get pouring. The first thing that we need to do, of course, is open up our bubbles. Today, we're using a prosecco. It's actually an extra dry spumante. So let's listen for that beautiful sound. It's like the call of the wild around here. Our first cocktail is called the Pomegranate Sparkler. 2 ingredients. First going in there is 1 ounce of pomegranate juice. The part everybody's been waiting for around here is we're going to top that off with some bubbly. Beautiful festive color on it. The only thing we're going to do to this now is drop a couple of pomegranate pieces in there, and there you go. The first easy cocktail, the Pomegranate Sparkler. This brings us to our second cocktail, and while it's similar, it is very, very different. This one is called a Pomegranate Champagne Cocktail, and while we're not using champagne, we are using prosecco. You can use any sparkling wine in that. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a bar napkin, we're going to lay it across our flute, and then we're going to take a sugar cube. We'll place that sugar cube right on top. Our first ingredient going in there is some Angostura bitters, and we're going to put a couple dashes on there. We want to soak that sugar cube with the bitters. Next, we're just going to drop that into the glass. Next step in there is some cognac. Now you can use brandy, you can use cognac. Today we are using the Cavassier VS. We're going to use about 1/2 ounce. And we're going to put that in there. Now, the champagne cocktail dates back to the 1800s. Jerry Thomas in his Bartender's Guide was where this was first published. The neat thing about this cocktail, whereas this is dry the whole way through, this one with the sugar in there, we're going to see a change in sweetness level towards the end of the cocktail. The next step in there is pomegranate juice, and we're going to use 1 ounce. Next step in there, we're going to put in our bubbles, and once again 3 to 4 ounces. And I'm going to want to garnish this one too, so once again, some more pomegranate seeds. And there you go. Second cocktail today, the Pom Champagne Cocktail. Let's give this one a taste. Very, very dry. A little bit of sweet in there, and as I said, as you drink this cocktail, well, depending on how fast you drink it, that sugar is going to dissolve. You've got a little bit of boldness in there with the cognac. You got a little bit of boldness in there with those bitters. Very delicious. Our second one, while it looks very much the same, we're very forward with the prosecco on that one. So what you're tasting is the champagne, a little bit of sweetness in there with the pomegranate. Beautiful festive colors. Cheers, everyone.